So as I mentioned, installing Docker might lead to some issues for me because I'm running a Hackintosh. This is going to... apparently I have to log in. That's annoying. All right, so anyway, I'm going to run this. Hopefully it'll all work, and we'll see where we get. If worst case, I can go to the Docker toolbox and try to get some older stuff. I think that's what they're saying. But I'm not sure. I forget what it was, but there was like one or two things that were just kind of hard to get to work whenever it came to before. And Docker just doesn't really care about supporting Hackintoshes that much because it's, you know, a small subset of people. And generally speaking, you know, I'm not running standard hardware, so it's not a shock they don't support it that well. All right, so let's drag this bad boy in here. Oh, it's copying it still. So wait for this to finish. And we're getting pretty close to being done. Yeah, hopefully with some of these we'll get most of it done. I'm probably not going to do Inkscape. Honestly, RSVG convert's not even needed. I just have them there. I probably won't go over while this is installing. I'll just cover this. I'm probably not going to go over things like FFmpeg, RSVG convert, and Inkscape because really it's just software that I'm installing. And even this other software to consider, there's not really a huge... I might do this one just so you can see how it works. But the rest of these are just, if you need them, you install them. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think this is the last main thing. I guess I have a minute to talk. So this is the last main thing, and then we should be able to start jumping into, well, this plus this next, the fuck, which apparently it's rough to record that one because I don't generally swear like that on screencasts. Anyway, so there are a couple things that I don't have here, like I'll eventually add some React tools and stuff like that whenever I'm working on this next advanced web dev course. They just aren't here because they weren't originally my original plan. If you care about that stuff, I'll try to outline, at least update this gist with some of the stuff that I'm using so you can sort of see it. My sync of my VS Code should stay up to date regardless. I'll keep updating that. So you should be able to check that one out. And this is, well, I'm not going to do it now. Maybe I'll add an addendum later. There is a way to just get a public gist, but that's okay. So let's open up Docker and see if we can get this all working. Yes, I want to open that. All right, let's see. All right, so it's starting. Gonna hope that this starts correctly. I don't know why Control C is bringing up reset color. That's weird. I don't know why everything's hanging at this point. And this has me concerned. It's starting. Up, we're running. Solid. Docker PS. Yeah, there we go. So I don't have anything here. Is it logs? Oh, I need a container. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so I've got Docker up and running. Sorry, I haven't used it in a while, so my brain is not working very well. I need to get something like this. And let's do Docker hello world. All right, so should be able to do something like Docker run hello world. I'm trying to Google everything I do so you can actually see where it's coming from. So basically, I'm going to try to run that. So let's do something like this. Hello from Docker, blah, 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 blah. All the stuff's there. So Docker PS. All right, nothing's there. Docker image, ls. And we can see hello world. We've got it created 3 months ago. It's because that's when that image was created. And we can run it there. Docker container ls -- all. So you can see this one was here. It was created 23 seconds ago and it exited 22 seconds ago. And it's got some stupefied leave it name. So yeah, that's the Docker stuff. If you don't know Docker, it's a cool tool, but don't feel like you have to run out and like learn everything about it right now. I'm just showing you how to install it and that I have it installed because it can be a very useful tool.